The Bear and the Two Friends. Once upon a time, two best friends were walking through a forest. They promised each other that they would always help one another in times of danger. Suddenly, a huge bear came out of the bushes. Both friends were frightened. One of them quickly climbed up a tree to save himself, but the other friend didn't know how to climb. He thought fast, lay down on the ground, and held his breath, pretending to be dead. The bear came closer, sniffed him from head to toe, and finally went away, because bears don't eat dead bodies. When the danger was gone, the friend on the tree came down and asked, "Brother, what did the bear whisper in your ear?" The boy replied, "The bear told me, never trust a friend who leaves you in time of trouble." Moral of the story: a true friend is the one who stands by you in difficult times. Thank you for watching. See you soon.